Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can use your Bank of Queensland credit card for a contactless payment or mobile wallet. Now, you can use your Bank of Queensland credit card for a contactless payment and mobile wallet. Bank of Queensland credit card are compatible with major mobile wallet services, allowing you to make quick secure payment with a smartphone or other enabled devices. Or in order to do the cardless payment, you can just simply tap your Bank of Queensland credit card on your contactless enabled payment terminal to make a transaction without inserting your card or entering a PIN for an amount under a certain limit, typically $100 in Australia. You can use with your Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Now, by adding your Bank of Queensland credit card to these mobile wallets, you can use your phone or smartphone or smartwatch to make payment by holding your device near a contactless terminal. In order to set it up, you'll need to open the wallet, and then you need to add a Bank of Queensland credit card details by following the prompt and verify your card through the confirmation process, usually via SMS or an email. Once added, you can make a payment simply by tapping on the contactless device terminal and without proceeding the physical card. So that's basically how you can use a Bank of Queensland credit card for contactless payment or mobile wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.